Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to get free stuff on Shein app. First of all, you can open the Shein app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now go to the me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on this, you can just simply see your free trial here. Tap on free trial, and it is a way you can get free stuff on Shein app. And the other method is you can just simply order something in Shein app. After the ordering, you can just receive the free points, and after collecting the free points you can just simply order the another thing. After the time of order, you can just simply use these coins to get free stuff on Shein app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.